Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Chefman. This is a 1.8 liter precision digital kettle. I am so excited to share with you guys. It is so incredibly neat. So I want to open it up and show you guys how you can boil, pour, steep, and brew. Alright you guys, so I got all the parts for my kettle out and look how gorgeous it is. I love this matte color. It looks so sleek, and of course we also have the base right here with the plug for an outlet. So let's put it all together. All you gotta do is put it on the base, and inside the kettle you're going to be seeing a max and a minimum line. So all you gotta do is pull that up and check out that stainless steel inside. And I also love how it has a strainer here on the top as well. Check that out through the inside. You can see it is so incredible and exactly what I needed. Alright you guys, it was really time to put it to the test, so I have it here ready full with water. As you can see, I filled it up to around 1 liter and I put the lid right back on. We're going to plug it in and select the heating setting. So just going to plug in the base first. As you can see, I really like how the base has the wraparound cord as well, so that's an easy storage. Love that detail. And now we're just going to put it on here, and just like that, it's turning on. Check it out. The lights look so cool. And here you're going to see different pre-settings such as delicate, boil, black tea, herbal tea. There's so many different things, but you can also regulate it based on the temperature you want. So I'm going to put that I want just to boil, and I'm going to click on start. So as you can see, it turned red here on the side, and so did the button. It's heating up, so we're going to let it do its thing until it reaches boiling point. Alright you guys, it's been over a minute or so, and when we started, the water temperature, it said that it was around 60 something, and now it's climbing super fast. We're already at 110, and it should only go up to 200 and around 20, around there, for it to be boiling. So I can feel it getting hotter, but what I like about this is that the handle is always going to be nice and cold and safe to the touch. Also, once it's done boiling and you can make your tea, your ramen, maybe you're going to use it for some coffee, a soup, whatever you're using this kettle for, it is incredible because you can just put it right back onto the base, and it's going to keep it warm for around 1 extra hour, which is so incredible. So you can make tea all day long. Check it out. I can already hear the water starting to get hotter in there, and we're reaching 130 degrees. So I'm gonna let it finish to show you guys what it looks like. It just beeped. Right now it's at a boil, and it's going to continue to keep it warm for me. Right here I have some herbal tea. I believe it's a rosemary, so I'm just going to pick it up off the base, and I can pour the boiling water right here for you guys. Check that out. And I really like all the other things, so right now it's going to continue to keep it warm for me. There's indicators, lights, including green, red, and blue. There is a 360 swivel base, and be careful because this outside part is nice and warm. But again, there's a stay cool handle, which I absolutely adore. I definitely recommend this product. It is incredible and so useful, whether you are making it for ramen, tea, or anything else. Boiling water like this is so easy with the Chefman, and it's definitely super cool with all the modes and different temperatures you can select. Plus, it keeps it warm for you for an hour, so go check it out on Amazon. I definitely recommend, and it is a must buy for your kitchen.